Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we are going to be talking about the Baby Jogger City Select Lux Stroller. Straight out of the box, you're going to get the stroller frame and the toddler seat. Let's talk about some of the features of the City Select Lux. Altogether, it weighs just over 30 pounds. There are multiple color options for the seat and canopy. It has a multi-position sun canopy with a magnetic peekaboo window, and its height can be adjusted. It has an adjustable telescoping handlebar. The coolest part is the built-in decelerator handle on the right side in case you're going downhill. To use the parking brake, you just pull that same handle downward until it locks. To release the brake, just pull up on the black tab. This stroller is modular, so the seat can face forward or backward. It has a 5-point harness with shoulder pads, plus a deep recline and an adjustable footrest for nap time. It can hold up to 45 pounds, and there is even a zippered pocket on the back in case you want to store your phone or keys. The multifunctional design allows you to customize the seating arrangement to your needs. Because this is a singular to double stroller, purchasing a second seat will give you 20 unique seating combinations. You can even purchase a glider board to attach to the back for a third child to stand on, or a bench seat to hold a child up to 65 pounds. If you'd like, you can also purchase additional adapters to attach an infant car seat from Baby Jogger, Nuna, Britax, Cybex, and other brands. It has a large basket for storing any groceries or other items while you're on the go. The wheels are made of durable plastic and have all-wheel suspension for a smooth ride. The front wheels are lockable, giving you easy handling even on rough terrain. To fold the City Select, start by collapsing the canopy and folding the seat in half. Then simply pull up on the black tabs on the frame and the handlebar will fold backwards, collapsing the entire frame. This is one of the easiest folds we've ever seen. You can even fold this stroller with both seats attached. To unfold it, simply undo the auto lock and pull up on the handlebar until the frame locks back into place. Overall, we love the Baby Jogger City Select Lux Stroller. It's perfect for growing families, and we love how easy it is to fold and store. Thanks for watching. To shop this stroller or any other gear, go to babycubby.com, where everything over $25 ships for free. To learn more about another one of our favorite strollers, check out this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let us know what else you want to see. See you next time!